Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best pumpkin carving tools on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best pumpkin carving tools. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Whether you treat pumpkin carving like a competitive sport or you're just after some seasonal Instagram fodder, the best tools for pumpkin carving will seriously up your gourd carving game. The fundamentals of pumpkin carving rely on a few good tools: a solid scooper or gutter that makes cleaning the inside of the pumpkin easy and mess-free, a couple of sharp saws and knives that will cut through the pumpkin like butter, and if you're just not the artistic type, plenty of kits include pumpkin carving stencils, too. So if you're looking for an easy-to-use, all-in-one pumpkin carving kit, be sure it has everything you need. On the other hand, if you consider this seasonal craft an art form, then it might be a good idea to invest in individual, professional-grade tools. Yes, those do exist. From a quality gutter that helps you get super thin pumpkin walls to a battery-powered rotary tool that helps you create intricate designs, these tools will ensure you have Pinterest-worthy pumpkins. But most importantly, the best tools for pumpkin carving are safe, efficient, and easy to use, no matter your skill level and artistic abilities. So, if you're still using just any old kitchen knife, get ready for a serious upgrade. Number 1. Dremel 4300-5/40 Pumpkin Carving Tools. If you want a high-speed tool that will perform intricate cuts in a timely fashion, you should opt for the Dremel 4300-5/40 High-Performance Rotary Toolkit. This high-performance tool is incredibly versatile. It comes with 5 attachments and 40 accessories to handle various tasks. Thanks to these accessories, this Dremel tool is perfect for grinding, cutting, carving, sanding, and engraving. Should you need to use the tool to perform another task, all you need is adjust the jaw chuck and add the right accessory. This tool comes with variable speed and a powerful motor that delivers powerful performance for various job applications. And with its efficient airflow system, heat buildup is quickly dissipated for a smooth running of the tool. If you are afraid of using heavy rotary tools, you shouldn't bother because this Dremel tool is one of the most compact tools out there. Its slim and ergonomic design ensures that you use the device comfortably for an extended period. In addition to that, it features a separate on-off switch and speeds dial for maximum control. Unlike the rest of the products here, this Dremel tool is corded, which means you have to plug it into an electrical source before using it. The cord is long, allowing you to move within the perimeter conveniently. Pros: highly versatile, comfortable to hold, allows long-term use, adjustable variable speed, great tool with tons of accessories. Cons: it's not durable, relatively expensive. Number 2. Keshi Garingsa 108 Pumpkin Carving Tools. After waiting impatiently for the package containing my new tool to arrive at my doorstep, I opened up the box eagerly. Everything came secured in plastic packaging, which was great because nothing was damaged. I pulled out my tool and immediately went to work putting it together. The instructions included were very helpful, but the package stated that everything could be put together without them. This cordless rotary tool is just what I needed for crafting. It's lightweight, easy to hold in your hand, and fits most standard drill bits. I have already made several crafts with this product, which will be featured on my blog soon. Overall, I am incredibly happy with my purchase of this product. I only wish I had bought it sooner. It comes with a 3.7V Li-ion battery that offers a decent run time. However, its biggest advantage is that it can be connected to any mobile charger thanks to its USB charging port with the quick charging option. This allows users to charge this model with ease anywhere. This tool comes with 3 speed options, allowing the user to choose the setting according to their requirement. It also has a sleek ergonomic design, making it the perfect option for those looking to use the pen grip while operating the tool. Another advantage of this model is its 3.7V Li-ion battery with a USB charging socket. This gives users the convenience to plug the tool into their laptop or mobile charger and power their device. Pros: Can be charged easily using a mobile charger USB port. Very affordable, great value for money. Simple to understand, easy to use, quick tool change without chuck. Ultra portable design. Cons. The lowest speed setting is not very useful. Not so good battery life. The bit does not sit properly within the collet nut. Minor issues with changing tools. Number 3. Dremel 8220-1/28 Pumpkin Carving Tools. Dremel is another top-notch brand for making some of the best power carving tools. It's one of the first companies to make rotary tools. This power carving tool is known for its high versatility, as you can use this rotary toolkit for sanding, engraving, cutting, polishing, and carving. This tool has 2 attachments and several accessories that make it usable on all wood types. With the tip, you can perform different things on your project. All you need is to adjust the nose cap and attach the right tip to begin your job. It's also compact, with a lightweight and ergonomic body. Additionally, it has a 360-degree grip zone that makes working in tight spaces comfortable. Like the BYWOKY cordless rotary tool 3.7 Li-ion, this device is battery operated, meaning that you can take it anywhere you want. Additionally, the battery lasts longer on a single charge, and it takes just an hour to charge, providing maximum performance and runtime. Pros. Cordless unit. The battery lasts longer on a single charge. Charges rapidly. Easy to adjust. Suitable for all wood types. Versatile. Comfortable to handle. 2-year warranty. Cons. It's pricey. Verdict. A lot of people would think twice about investing hundreds of dollars on a piece of rotary tool. However, when you consider its versatility, compatibility with other manufacturers, and cordless capability, you will realize that buying this tool is worth it. Number 4. BYWOKY Cordless Rotary Pumpkin Carving Tools. If you need a power carving tool that will allow you to work conveniently from place to place, the BYWOKY Cordless Rotary Tool 3.7 Li-ion is the ideal choice for you. This product is easy to move about due to its ergonomic and lightweight design. Also, its design makes it easy to handle and control. The rotary tool features a rubbed handle with an anti-slip for comfortable handling. This ensures that the overall output is accurate and smooth. This product is a great multi-purpose tool for drilling, carving, polishing, engraving, and sanding. With various accessories and tips, you can use this tool to do all kinds of crafting jobs without stress. All you need is to adjust the tips, and you are good to go. BYWOKY Cordless Rotary Tool 3.7 Li-ion generates long-lasting power to carry out any job you want to do, thanks to its 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery. It also possesses 5 powerful rotation speed, ranging from 3000 RPM to 15,000 RPM you can adjust for different tasks. With lots of vent holes, heat generated is dissipated to ensure the smooth running of the machine. Pros. It doesn't require extraordinary skill to use. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Versatile. Variable speed and powerful rotation speeds. Cordless capability. It comes with inbuilt LED light. Several pieces of accessories. Cons. Not for heavy-duty projects. Number 5. APEXFORGE Rotary Pumpkin Carving Tools. Innovative, powerful, and efficient are what best defines the Tool TacLife 200W Rotary Toolkit with LCD display. This power carving tool boasts nice features that will make any woodcarver love it. Unlike conventional corded carving tools, this TacLife product comes with an LCD that allows you to monitor the tool speed conveniently and more clearly. You can also control the speed level from 10,000 RPM to 40,000 RPM without any problems. In addition to that, the tool is rated 200W. With this, you have enough power to carve the wood precisely. It also has 1.8 amp power for handling various applications, such as cutting, grinding, drilling, polishing, and engraving. Plus, it enables you to complete your project faster and more efficiently. The flex shaft is incredible too. It gives you more control and flexibility during use so that you don't have problems with your project. Speaking of having more control, the tool has a cutting guide for more report cutting and a detailer grip for increased stability. Pros. Powerful motor. Different speed levels. It comes with an LCD screen for speed monitoring. Highly durable. Comfortable to hold. Easy to use. Offers maximum protection during use. Sturdily made. Cons. Not powerful enough to sharpen mower blades. Instructions are not detailed.